Let's not insult your intelligence. You saw the numbers, they're offensive. 100 shells, 100 bars. For $100, that's aggressive. Your common sense is screaming, pause. Your inner voice is filing laws. You're like there has to be a trick. Yeah, there is. It's us. We're the flaws. Is it legal? Probably. Is it smart? Not for we. This feels illegal. I read it twice and once again. This feels illegal. But I'm not the one who set the plan. This feels illegal. If it's wrong, then why is it green? This feels illegal. I'll take two. Oh, wait, one per person? Then never mind. You're asking friends like, what's the catch? They're already scanning while you text. One bar, cool. 20 bar, fine. 100 bars, sir, please seek rest. Lightweight says, I broke even. Regular says, half price season. Degenerate hasn't seen daylight. They live here now, peace and provision. But today, absolutely yes.